Hello guys, you smartphone Samsung Galaxy A53. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory in the blue color. Look completion. Completion is poor. We have only key for SIM slot and Type-C cable. Type-C for Type-C cable for charging or connecting, without charge adapter and headphones, only cable in completion. Okay. Device made of plastic, soft touch plastic. On the back side quad camera LED, on the front side 6.5-inch display, this Super AMOLED Full HD Plus resolution display. Power key and volume keys on this side. On this side without controls. We don't have headphones jack. We have combined slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, Type-C port, speaker, microphone. Okay. Close this, turn on device, 120 Hz display. Okay, and open tests. Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU Exynos processor, octa-core, 6+2, 2 GHz and 2.4 GHz CPU speed, Mali G68 resolution and display PPA. Okay, results: single core test and single core score and multi-core score results. Okay, close this. Look into the benchmark results. Under the benchmark results. Okay, good. Game works not bad on this device. Diablo Immortal works on the medium graphic level. Apex Legends works. Apex Legends Mobile PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, with games, no problem. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera we have quad 64 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels. Front camera 32 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.